This is MB Now, and here are your news on web.
President Rodrigo Roa Duterte has finally lifted the mandatory requirement on the use of face shields outdoors. In his pre-recorded public address aired last night, September 22, the president revealed that he made the decision following the recommendation of medical experts and a technical working group of the government's pandemic task force. However, the experts recommended keeping the wearing of face shields mandatory in the 3 C's or establishments and activities considered as close, crowded, and close contact. Meanwhile, Duterte explained anew his earlier decision to keep the wearing of face shields both indoors and outdoors mandatory. He said he got scared by the threat brought about by the Delta variant. The reproduction number of coronavirus disease in Metro Manila further decreased to 0.99 according to the Octa Research latest report, Thursday, September 23. Moreover, Octa fellow Professor Guido David pointed out that the region's one-week growth rate declined to negative 20% based on their analysis of the data from the Department of Health as of September 22. This means that the average number of cases this week, which was at around 4,600 cases, is 20% lower than last week's 5,800 cases. David explained that once the reproduction number is less than 1, the rate of infection slows down. While there's an improvement in the NCR's reproduction number, the expert noted that there are still many infected patients admitted in hospitals. The La Niña will likely start in October and may last until the first quarter of 2022 according to PAGASA. With the threat of La Niña, above normal rainfall conditions may affect most parts of the country next month. The weather specialist said 2 to 3 tropical cyclones may affect the country in October and November, while 1 to 2 cyclones is expected in December. Meanwhile, the State Weather Bureau is currently monitoring a tropical depression outside the Philippine area of responsibility and was last spotted 2,270 kilometers east of Visayas. But there is a low chance that it will enter the PAR based on the latest assessment and may recurve over the weekend.
The United States is stepping up its preparation of COVID-19 vaccine booster shots, while strong actions are being taken to protect students and staff members from the pandemic on campus. The country is once again at a point where an average of more than 2,000 people are dying of COVID-19 every day, according to data from Johns Hopkins University, while hospitals are straining to keep up with the number of patients coming in. A committee of top vaccine experts under the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention started 10 hours of meeting on Wednesday morning to decide who should be eligible for a booster dose of the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 shot. A vote is expected on Thursday. The Education Department's Office for Civil Rights opened an investigation into the Texas Education Agency on Tuesday in response to its guidance that prohibits school leaders from requiring students and staff to wear masks. Young star Rita Gaviola has declared that she's trying her luck in pageantry soon. On Instagram, Rita said, "Soon we will join Miss U." However, the statement of the 18-year-old BADJAO girl quickly received mixed reactions. Some said that it is too early for her to join a pageant and that she needs to work on her communication skills first. Amid the bashing, Rita shared inspiring words. She said that beauty is not flawless and that it shines even through your flaws. #Miss Universe soon. Rita went viral a few years ago when she was spotted begging on the street and later on joining Pinoy Big Brother reality show. Actress SANTOS surprised her fans when she deleted all her posts on Instagram. SANTOS was recently involved in a controversy when she was linked to the breakup of showbiz partners Paulo Contis and LJ Reyes. Contis and SANTOS starred together in the movie A Faraway Land that is currently being shown on Netflix. The Philippine Olympic Committee is requesting an additional budget of 450 million pesos in the General Appropriations Act for 5 major international competitions in 2022. Based on the request, the budget will be for the training and participation of Filipino athletes for the Winter Olympics in Beijing, the 6th Asian Indoor and Martial Arts Games in Bangkok and Chonburi, Thailand, the World Games in Birmingham, Alabama, the 19th Asian Games in Hangzhou, China, and the 5th Asian Youth Games in Shantou, China. National teams hope to ride on the momentum of the country's successful campaign at the Tokyo Olympics, where it went home with a historic 1 gold, 2 silver, and 1 bronze medals. For its 11th year, the Manila Bulletin Sketchfest Art Advocacy Project continues to promote the values of creativity and nationalism through art. With this year's theme Pinoy Pop, The Manila Bulletin seeks to pay tribute to Filipino popular culture and its influence to the nation's creative and arts scene. It also recognizes the vitality and uniqueness of Filipino pop culture and how it has evolved and adapted through contemporary times. This year, the submission of exhibition category entries will be up to October 29, 2021, while the digital sketching and the popular on-the-spot drawing category will again be held online and is scheduled on November 13, 2021. For more details and contest categories, visit sketchfest2021.mb.com.ph. The Sketchfest 2021 is co-presented by the SM Store, Pioneer Insurance, Grab Philippines, and is in partnership with the National Commission for Culture and the Arts.
And those are the news on web. For more news and updates, follow our official social media pages or log on to www.mb.com.ph. Be fully informed.